All right, nerd alert, nerd alert. For those of you that don't want statistics, information about electric vehicles, or have your brain overload on nerdy stuff, turn away, move away, run, shut it off, cancel. Okay, for those of you that are left, I've been interested since I first bought this 2023 Chevrolet Bolt 1LT. On the window sticker, it said that I'm supposed to average 120 mpge. Well, I wanted to know if I'm getting 120 miles per gallon, I want to know how anybody figured that out. So I've been researching it. What I found out was it takes 33.7 kilowatts is equal to 1 gallon of gas. How the great scientists figured this out is beyond me. But the way they did it, shouldn't say the way, what they did was all of the brightest of the smartest of the brilliant people, scientists got together and they did figure that out. And that's exactly what it is. 33.7 kilowatts. So when you use 33.7 kilowatts of energy in my car, I should be going about 120 miles. So what I'm figuring out is that figures at about 3.56 miles per kilowatt is what I should average to come out to 120 miles per gallon equivalent for electricity. So here we go. I have been averaging over the last 12,500 miles on my car since it was brand new. I've got a lifetime miles per kilowatt. So I've been averaging 4.5 miles per kilowatt. So if you multiply that times 33.7, you get 151 and some change. So what I currently have been averaging is 151 miles per gallon on my car. I kind of always wanted to know. I know electricity was cheap. Now I'm up to paying 12 cents a kilowatt now. In Central Illinois, I have Ameren as my electric provider, and I am currently on my bill. I pay 12 cents a kilowatt. Now that doesn't include taxes, fees, and all of the add-ons. That's just how much per kilowatt that I am paying for at my residence. So, long story short, I have always been interested how these people figured this out. Well, why does that say 120 miles per gallon mpge on my window sticker? The Tesla is probably, the Model 3 is the most efficient electric car that's out there. I think it's like it shows 132 or something like that. But then there's real world miles per gallon also that you're getting. So then you got to combine that with what you're paying. You know, are you charging for free at local places? Like currently, I am stopped at Hy-Vee in Peoria, Illinois, and they have free charging. So I'm grabbing some free miles while I'm here making this video real quick, and I had some other activities. I've been busy out here today, so I am just grabbing some free miles while I can. So, but I wanted to get that squared away. The mpge, I never could sort that out. I kept trying. So then I've been researching it, and how they came up with 33.7 kilowatts is equivalent to 1 gallon of gas is beyond me. That's some pretty smart people right there. That's some NASA stuff right there to calculate that. So, but anyway, I just want to give you a heads up. I'm actually currently during the summer, I'm currently doing better. I'm averaging 151 and some change miles per gallon. So I'm sure during the winter, and I know when it's cold, I'll be using a lot more energy. And now it's starting to rain. We got some rumblings going on and some rain. So, well, that's not good. I don't like rain. But anyway, I won't take up any more of your time. I just want to make this video real quick, get it sorted out, because there's other people like me that wanted to know the same thing. First of all, how do you calculate that? And then second of all, how do I calculate it for my mileage, for what my car? And I obviously, General Motors, when they did their calculations, that's an average. You know, you're going to get low on highway miles, you're going to get higher in town miles. The average, they worked it out to where the Chevy Bolt, mine should average about 120 miles per gallon equivalent. So in the winter, like I said, I started to say, in the winter, I probably won't get anywhere near 4.5 because this is old school. I don't have a heat pump in here. I'm going to be using the old HVAC system in the winter time to heat. I don't have heated seats. I got the base model when I purchased this. So I will follow up and see how I'm doing in the winter time, but I will say summertime, I'm doing well above the 120 miles per gallon equivalent. Like I said, we're at 151 and some change, I think I just calculated. So with that, I'll let you guys go. I'll try to get this thing uploaded and let me know what you think. I mean, if you got more information about this, then you're a lot smarter than I am, because I could never figure out what they were doing until I researched it quite a bit. With that, please have a blessed day and be safe, and please like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. Be safe.